My name is Luliia Lenikhan, and I'm a product quality manager, working with three different areas of responsibilities, which are quality of our goods in retail, compliance of the goods, and recovery. Recovery is actually an operational process existing in all the units, in all the stores, where co-workers recovering, or you can say saving, damaged or returned goods through reselling them with the discount or repacking if possible for future sale. When it comes to circular initiatives at IKEA, I can give you several examples. One would be working with IKEA Against Sell. We call it buyback and resell initiatives. And I was part of the group implementing this service in Denmark, and we are, of course, permanently improving this service for our customers by, for instance, expanding the range of products accepted back for the reselling part. The other example would be creating the spare parts library to support the after-sales process. To make our customers use buyback and resell service, we want it to be easy and convenient, and of course, very transparent with the understanding of the value of the returned item. If it is well-used item, customers should expect to get 20% of the value back to their vouchers. If it is like new, it becomes even 40% of the original value. As always, nobody can do everything alone, which is why we need to develop long-term relationships with our customers and co-create the future together. To do this, we are testing and developing new business models and concepts. We want to enable customers to prolong the life of their IKEA products through convenient solutions that inspire people to acquire, care for, and pass them on with the circular ways. For us, it's also important to develop the competence of our co-workers in the field of circular economy. It comes with the training package, onboarding, or learning on the job. Co-workers are involved in the piloting or testing different solutions to cater for that IKEA ambition. For example, working with spare parts libraries through a special solution or testing a new circular service like repair and refurbishment. When we test a new service at IKEA, it comes with the digital solution. And as with any new digital tool, it takes time to fully develop that. Sometimes we start just with an MVP, minimal viable product, with the expectation to come up to a full scope of the functionality within certain time frames. And then the co-creation process starts, utilizing the competence of our co-workers with the usage of solution and delivering feedback to the team of developers. With all these developments, it gets very exciting for us, indeed, since they are contributing a lot to our global IKEA circularity strategy by 2030.